All right, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, another Technique Tuesday. We're doing another salsa arm styling, and this is within a partnership, so within the steps that we teach up on our website, ballroomfeed.com. So we're not going to teach a step here today. We're just going to demonstrate some arms and kind of go over that. So we'll demonstrate the wrist spin. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. I'll show you from one more angle, and then I'll go over what I'm doing. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Obviously, so many options when it comes to arm styling, so whenever I'm showing you, it's just what I like to do or just one way that I think is kind of cool. So we're gonna start with the first part. So I'm gonna show you with the steps first, and then I'll show you kind of without the steps so you can practice. So we have one hand connected with him, so our left arm starts to be free. So I'm gonna start putting it out to the side, and then as I step forward, I kind of finish that side arm, okay? From here, we have a 3-step turn. While I'm doing the 3-step turn, I'm wrapping my arms across my body and ending here. Then as we do our back basic, this part's optional if you want to take dance position right away. You could kind of take out this part, but I'm kind of living my best life here, so I finish with the nice, big, fun arms, and then we go back into dance position. So that ending is kind of optional, okay, just so you know. But let's go over the beginning part. So basically, my left arm is still with him, no feet this time. I'm bringing my arm slowly out to the side, fully extending. Then from here, I'm going to twist my left arm behind my back. My other arm is going to go like this, so my palm flips up because we let go of our partner at this point. So we have this kind of flippy position, and this is while I'm turning, okay? So let's practice the first half. Left arm goes out to the side. We twist it around our body for the turn, and then now, if we want to, we can throw our arms down and up, around the head, and if you really want to go for it, down the body, and then go back to your partner. Or from here, you could just kind of meet your partner. It's kind of up to you and your partnership, okay? So I'm gonna show you the full extent just so you have options. Left arm out, wrap around the body, down and up, back around the head, down the body, and back into dance position. Let's do that one more time without the feet. Left arm out, wrap around the body, twist up, around the head, down the body, and back to dance position. I'm gonna show you now facing this way, just so you can kind of see the front arm as well. Left arm goes out, wrap around, down and up, around, and down and out, okay? One more time, I'm gonna show you without Chris, just with the feet as well, okay? Assuming that you know the feet, we go. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then we can do basic step to get back to him, okay?
So we did this basic already. I like to do an open break a lot of times so I can send her into this wrist spin here. Again, I'm really casual about my arms the entire time. I think when I did this when we danced to music here, is that I really just like hold my arms up, basically like I'm ready to take a dance position. Because I'm telling her like, hey, I want to come back together again. Whereas if I didn't, I wouldn't be telling her I want to get back together, because in salsa, there's a lot of options where I can not come back to my dance partner right away, right? And my arms is kind of the biggest trigger for whether I want to do that or not, right? So if I just, if I spin around again, right, we go quick, quick, slow, I spin her away. If I start to kind of like build my dance position again, it's a really good sign to her that I want to take it. So I think when you watch me do this to music, I didn't really do much arm styling, where I more signaled to her like, hey, I want to take a dance position again. Whereas if I didn't want to take a dance position again, and I wanted to leave her more on her own, I'd probably leave more space. I might dance more with the arms at myself and just keep the elbows moving with my body, because I want to give her space. Maybe she wants to do something more interesting, like a shine or something in salsa, whereas if I build up my dance position, now it means I want to take it again.
Okay, so that is all the arm styling in this video we have for you today. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn the pattern step by step, go ahead, check out our website, ballroomfeed.com, as I mentioned in the beginning. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.